Hello, this is Duke Byte. We're going to learn another element of programming in C#, the conditional statements. Let's create a new file for our C# code. We can disconnect the previous file with the code for variables using the drop-down menu in the inspector by clicking on the delete component. We'll attach a new C# file to the object in the scene. Now let's open the code in the editor. Conditional statements allow the developer to define one or more conditions on which the further execution of the code will depend. Instructions cannot be directly in class. Let's move the if instruction to the start function. The if instruction consists of specifying the execution condition in round brackets. If the condition is true, we proceed to execute the code, which is in curly brackets. Let's create an age variable, which will be our condition to check in the if instruction. In the round brackets, we compare the value from the age variable with the number 18. If the result of the comparison is true, the console will display OK. Of course, now let's not see the message in the console because the condition doesn't meet. The value to compare is not greater than 18 but is equal to it. We can fix this by adding an equal sign after the majority sign. The condition is in the start function and is executed only once at the start of the program. That is not very convenient for us when testing the behavior of the if instruction. So let's move the condition to the update function, which is executed many times in 1 second. Now we can change the value of the age variable in the Unity inspector and watch the if condition. The if condition statement consists of a logical expression and a possible else command, which will be called if the logical expression is false. If the logical expression is true, the code inside the instruction block will be executed. Otherwise, the code inside the else block will be executed. The conditional statement if may contain optional else if statements used to check many different conditions. Notice that the else if statement must be placed before the else statement. If the else if statement is executed, the program will not enter any other else if or else statement. If we want to check whether two values are equal, we use a double equality sign. A single equals sign is used to assign a value. I hope that the movie was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, I invite you to the comments section below the movie. Don't forget to like this movie and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.